Welcome back to AutomobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing Pride's Jazzy Passport Folding Power Chair. Once you remove your Passport from the box, you'll notice your complimentary cushion, your battery charger, and your battery box. Your first step to set up your Jazzy Passport will be to insert your joystick in either the right side or left side armrest, and then close your tightening knob. Just slide your battery pack into the back of the Passport, and you are on your way.